Can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night.
There we go. Hello everyone, welcome back to Miniatures Mayhem and More. This is Keena. My sidekick Noelle is over there kitting up a diamond kit for herself. She may want to say hello to you. I don't know. She's saying hello very snarky because Grant has been yelling today. Well, we wanted to get our next video out to you, and we kind of want to let you know why we started diamond painting in the first place. Basically, stuck at home during COVID. I used to see this one young lady posting something in one of the crafting groups, and apparently she was getting custom diamond paintings done, and they were gorgeous, and I would comment like, where'd you get that? How'd you do that? And she would never respond to me. I guess from posting to her feed or her thread that it started to come up on my timeline and Facebook. So I just ordered one day, and the addiction is real. So if you want to keep a few dollars in your pocket, then don't even watch this video. Just kidding. Watch the video. Share, subscribe, and like. Alright, so this is the first diamond painting that I did, and I could have kind of a wild side. So this is just called my name. It's absolutely gorgeous. I actually sealed this one with Mod Podge. There are mixed reviews on that, but at the time I didn't know. I hadn't watched anybody's video when I got it. Anyway, love it, love it, love it. I'm gonna frame it. Have no clue as to where it should hang, what would be appropriate room of the house, but you know what? I like the picture. This is one that is very common. You'll see it on Everyday Deals and eCoolBuy and all the rest of them. This is totally crystal. It is fantastic. I hope you can see the sparkles. I saw this on Miss Crochet and Coffee and Rachel Ray's Facebook group page, and once I saw it, I had to go ahead and order it. It took me an hour and a half to do this because this is a partial, and I was just so frantic to get it done. This is my latest painting, and it has sparklers and ABs. See that 310? See that 310? This is one that I'm doing for my sister. It is going to be her Christmas present, so I'm going to get it all framed, but I loved it. She's wine color, and yeah, I had to have this for her. This is like maybe the fourth painting I did. My boyfriend's sister has cancer, and she's getting treatment, and I was at her house, and she said, oh my goodness, anything that's serene and peaceful I would love. And so I got this for her. I also got another one, and then I got a special one that she doesn't know about. It hasn't even come yet, but I got it. Anyway, love that one. This is the second diamond painting I did, and it is gorge, 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 gorge. I love this painting with all my heart. Like, it's beautiful. It was probably one of the least expensive paintings I purchased, but it is the best looking one. I know I got it from Amazon. I'm going to absolutely try to find the particular store and link and put it down below so you guys can order it if you like. I'm always on the hunt for ethnic paintings. Seems that they're all in African garb or something, but in any event, this one is absolutely beautiful. This is another one of my faves. These flowers with these really, really vibrant colors. Look at that, guys. I actually have some 20 by 20s of those that I'm going to show you. I think it was like a deal from Diamond Painting Lovers or something, like 4 or 5 for $10 or something, so I got them. Never have done one of the smaller ones, but I'm going to try it. I love that. This is one that I got from Amazon that looks absolutely nothing like it looked on Amazon. And I wouldn't have shown it because initially I didn't, and I have a clue about copyrights. I just bought the stuff because I liked it. This is allegedly Disney. I guess they can get away with that because this does not spell Disney, okay? You cannot see any of the princesses. Supposed to be 6 princesses in these windows. You can barely make out a Mickey or Minnie. This is from a company on Amazon that's Tiny Fun. Never will order from them again. And now that I'm privy to copywriting, which I probably should have been in the beginning, yeah, it's not going to happen. To say a little bit about that is that I didn't pay attention. It was just something I liked, and I'm figuring a company is selling a product, then they have to have permission. Not really thinking about the fact that these were coming from China. Now that I know, I will try to do better. If I know it is a copyright infringement, I won't show it completed, purchased accidentally or whatever. If I do know that it is an infringement on the copyright of the creator, then I absolutely will not show it. And I am going to do my best to try to do a reverse image search on anything that I purchase. Those things that I've already purchased, I mean, what can I do? I'm not going to throw it in the garbage. I spent my money. Anyway, I just wanted you guys to know how this habit can get out of hand. So what was that, about 6 or 7 paintings? I have 11 more that are open in a bin that I'm probably not going to show until after I'm done, that I did not research as to whether they were copyrighted or not. And I have about, how many packages would you say, Noelle, that I have not opened at all?
A lot.
Well, she says a lot. I'm going to guesstimate that I have about 30 packages that are here that came from Amazon, that came from China. One of them came from California. So I don't really know where I'm ordering this stuff from. What I am going to do, I guess now, is have a lot of unboxing videos. But I'm not like everybody else. I watch Miss Crochet and Coffee. And I also watch Rachel Ray and Kay Diamonds and several others that I can't recall right now. But number one, I'm too eager and frantic when the mail comes. So it's like Christmas around here every day when the doorbell rings, when my alert goes off on my phone from the video cam that somebody's at the door with a package or whatever. So I'm trying not to open the packages. It is hard, people. It is hard. So with that being said, our next video will be probably a few unboxings because I want to see what I have. Anyway, you guys have a great day. I hope you like, subscribe, share, tell your peeps about us. We're new. We are just winging it because we don't know what we're doing. And I guess we'll get better with time. You guys grow with us. See you later.
If you want to see more of Kina and Noelle, subscribe, like, and share.